Okay, let's use a graph utility to sketch the curve described by the given parametric equations. X equals 3 cosine t and y equals 2 sine t when t is in between 0 and 2 pi. Here is the equation. X equals 3 cosine t. When t is 0, so you plug in 0 here, you have a 3 times cosine 0. Cosine 0 is 1, not 0. So you have 1 times 3 is 3 for x coordinate. And you plug in t 0 here, you have 2 times sine 0. Sine 0 is 0, so you have a 2 times 0 is 0. Y coordinate is 0. So when t is 0, you have an x coordinate 3. Y is t is 0, y coordinate is 0. So you have a 3, 0, this point. By using the decimal, you may put what? You may do 3, 0. Okay? And you may mark it 3, 0 here. Similarly, you can do for t equals pi over 2. When t is pi over 2, you plug in here or you plug in here. Then you have 3 times cosine pi over 2. Cosine pi over 2 is 0. So you have 3 times 0 is 0. You got when t is pi over 2, you then have x coordinate is 0. But y coordinate is 2 times sine pi over 2. Sine pi over 2 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. You have a y coordinate is 0, 2. So when t is pi over 2, you get x coordinate 0, y coordinate 2. And then on decimal, you can input is 0, 2. Actually, there are values between 0 and pi over 2. I did not put in. You may try that. Okay, you may try that. Okay, then eventually you will find out all the dots. Connect all the dots smoothly, you will get ellipse. Why this is ellipse? Look, if both sides divided by 3, you cancel this 3 with this 3, you have a cosine t left on the right. Left hand side is x over 3. Similarly, y equals 2 sine t divided by 2 on both sides. You have a sine t is y over 2. Square both sides, you have x squared over 3 squared, which is cosine t squared. Similarly, y squared over 2 squared is sine t squared. And we know sine t squared plus cosine t squared, this is 1 by Pythagorean theorem. So you have x squared over 3 squared plus y squared over 2 squared is 1. That's ellipse with a value 3 and b value 2. Okay. Now, on the TI-84 calculator, how to do that? Again, you turn on your calculator, and here you want to click on y equals. And then again, You want to be in this state. If you do not watch my previous lecture, you want to do is click on mode and move the cursor right here to parametric equation here and hit enter. Okay, that will give you, when you click on y equals, this one shows up. So then you can input 3 cosine t and then 2 sine t, close bracket. When you graph, you then have a ellipse. Again, why here it gives you this much? Because the window size you set up is -2. Okay, so you should do is 0, and then here you do 2 pi. Where is pi? The pi value is right here, second here. And then when you graph, you get ellipse. Okay, that's by the TR-83 calculator, and also by decimal. You can do by decimal easily. By decimal, you can input in the same way. Let me eliminate. Let me just input right here. So you can do is 3 cosine t and 2 sine t. By default, here t is from 0 to 1. So you want to change it from 0 to 2, then input pi, they will give you pi. Okay, and then you want actually to know the direction. The direction you want to do is, rather than cosine t, you want to do cosine a. Okay, and 2 sine, you want to input a here. Okay, a here. Then they add a slide. And the slide you do not want to do from -10. You want to do from 0 to pi. Okay. Then when you click on that, you can slide it from 0, starting from 0. And then it goes where? You see, it goes in this way. Okay. It goes this way. Alright, so starting when a is 0, it will have a 3, 0 here. So you see, that's the direction it goes. And here there are many options. You may click on that and choose the play indefinitely. Here is 2 directions, back and forth. Here is repeating 1 direction. Do like that. You see. Oh, that's the way how it goes. All right. So there are like 2 ways to do that. One is decimal, another is TR-83 calculator. And here, if you do point by point, it's time consuming, and theoretically, it should be a curve with the major axis from -3 to +3, with minor from -2 to +2. All right, I'll see you next time.